It's great to finally have a connector that allows for high wattage charging. But there are situations when you need something more robust, something more waterproof, something more orange, and something for more watts. This is SurLok Plus, the industrial connector designed and made by Amphenol. It was created for high-power applications as an alternative to common compression lugs. Field installable, highly reliable, and IP67 rated member of the SurLok family. The heart of this connector is R4 RADSOK technology. Take a closer look inside. This technology is the latest version of carefully designed balance between large conductive area for high amperage and the ease of use with low insertion forces. We're talking over 400 amps constant and up to 1000 or 1500 volts depending on the size and type. This is high-level engineering inside, but not only. Let's talk about the housing. The SurLok Plus features quick lock and press-to-release latching design with multi-directional keyway. All of that prevents accidental disconnecting or improper fitting of the connector while keeping things quick. The compact size and touch-proof design make it a great solution in many applications, even more when we consider available termination in the receptacle, threaded, crimp or boss bar, as well as different sizes. SurLok Plus can be adapted to your use case, and with additional 360-degree rotation and low profile, it's great for cramped spaces. Let's not forget that the connectors are certified with, and I need to use my notes here, IP67, IP6K9K, UL 1977/4128, TUV2, PFG 2740 and RoHS and RoHS-compliant. Wow! With that said, we can be sure that this is water, dust and touch-proof. Just look at all the ceiling. Maximum safety and reliability. SurLok Plus connectors available in beautiful black, orange and red are perfect choice for energy storage, EV both on vehicle side as well as chargers, heavy machinery, process control and automation. Get yours now on tme.eu.